Hello guys and welcome to this quick tutorial. Okay, so I would like to explain to you guys how to create a quick Facebook advert. Let's say you take a couple of minutes and create a Facebook advert. Okay, on our previous class we saw the omnipresent Facebook ad that we created, and that was the awareness campaign that we created, but we used a certain strategy and then we gave it a particular name. So today we'll be learning a different objective. So this is on the engagement. So on engagement, now you are being a little bit intentional with your advert, which means it's either you want to grow your page or you want to make some sales with your marketing. So engagement means you either send traffic to your website, to your page, or to your social media handles like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger itself. So on this advert that I've created, the advert is supposed to start running in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to take you guys on a quick journey on how I created this advert and some of the decisions that I took when creating this advert, because we are going to see, I'm going to explain a little change that has occurred on probably most ads accounts that are functioning at the moment. Okay, so like I earlier said, the objective was engagement. So let me take you back from the beginning. You can see the name. You start with the campaign name, Smart Sales. Every other thing here is fixed. Campaign objective at this level I can no longer change it because this advert is already on review and will be running anytime soon. So it was engagement, and that was it. Everything was set. We are going to, okay, so we have choose where you want to drive engagement. So either you choose messaging apps, which is what I choose, or on your ads, on a website, on an application, on the Facebook page. So this is actually the objective that you use to either grow your Facebook page, this engagement objective. So this level you actually choose a page, your business page, the particular brand that you want the advert to carry, and then at this level you choose the apps. So every business has its priorities. So at this level with this client, the client is using Instagram and WhatsApp for other businesses. So for this particular business, there is no available Instagram or available WhatsApp. So we are using just Messenger for this particular business. And we have set a performance goal. So the performance goal is either you want to maximize the number of conversations or you want to maximize the number of clicks on your adverts. But at this level you want to maximize the number of conversations, because it is only through conversations that you can have leads or you can have prospects that you can talk with and later on make sales. So we have the budget as well. Depends on the level of your business. So because this is a small business, it's a beginner into the industry, so we are starting with a $2 ad budget. So we always advise people to use daily budget other than the lifetime budget. So we have when the campaign is supposed to start and when it's supposed to end. And now at this level, this is where it became really interesting. At this level it became really interesting because the audience previously you could select your audience. If for example, or I've edited it, for example, if you want the advert to reach people who are currently in a particular location, or who currently visited a particular location, or who are traveling into a particular location. So at this particular moment, Facebook has made it default that is only to people who are living in a particular location or who recently visited a particular location. So this is already a problem with the Facebook algorithm, but to them it is to avoid probably privacy issues for most other users who think they are being targeted intentionally by advertisers. So they have made it to be general. But now, how then do you make your ad in such a way that only people from a particular town or a particular location actually access your ad or actually respond to your advert. So when we go forward, I'm going to explain a little bit further. So the location you see, I've choose, I'm in Cameroon, Douala in particular, to be precise, but I'm running this advert within the southwest region of Cameroon. So you can actually implement this if, for example, you are, say, at wheresoever you are in the globe. So this I've seen an issue, Cameroon, then I have United States. So I'll need to edit this location and remove this United States. Somewhere I'll need to remove. Where is it? Okay, this United States. I need to remove this target audience from United States. So this is only for Cameroon. Okay, so you have the gender, because it's a fashion brand. We sell both male and female products. So the gender, we're targeting everybody, even the age. From our sales, we know that most of our sales, most people who buy from us, majority of them are between 20 to 30, and a few of them are above 30 to 45 and 50. But most people who are above 45 mostly buy the babies. They buy for their kids. So we have, because of a change that we have made, we are going to publish this at the end of this quick tour that we are doing. So we have placement. Now, Advantage Plus placement, which is most recommended, or the manual placement. So with this, on my next video, I'm going to explain why I chose Advantage Plus placement and when to actually choose manual placement. So I'll move to the next level, which is where I'll explain what to do with this issue of people who live in a particular location, or who recently visited a particular location. So at this level, there's nothing to change. Now, the type of ad, was it a single image or a video ad? I actually choose a carousel ad, which is because we have multiple products and we want all those products to be in front of our clients. And since the budget is small, we cannot create multiple assets where we can actually structure each product on a particular ad set. So we actually to make a slideshow, I decided to use a carousel, which is most preferable to me based on my experience and most of the results we've been having with this client. This particular option has been most valuable to us. So we have okay, now primary text. This is where I actually precise where I'm selling. So we are selling in Boya, Limbe, Moyoka, Kumba, Tiko, Mutengene. So we have easy pickup and delivery just within the aforementioned cities. So if you are not probably in Boya, you are not in Limbe, if you're not in any of these cities, so this ad shouldn't be of any concern to you, except you want to buy or you want to buy for somebody who is actually in any of those cities. But if you are not in any of these cities, so we don't actually want to sell to you, because even though we've choose Boya, Limbe, Moyoka, we've choose all of these places as a target but now there are people who actually left other towns, or who actually left other towns and visited these towns. So this ad will be safe to them, and we don't want this ad to be safe to them, or we don't want them to respond to this ad and start asking questions upon questions. So we've actually insisted here that Boya, Limbe, Moyoka, Kumba, Tiko, Mutengene for easy pickup and delivery. So any other thing is based on what you want to write or what you want to sell. We have an option to add a text if you want to add a text, or an option to add headline. So since it was a carousel, so the headlines were created for each of the cards. Each card had its own headline. So we have a call to action. So since we are sending into Messenger, so we use send message. So you can choose whatever call to action you want to use based on where the adverts will be delivered. So if, for example, it's a website, it's another website, probably say lead form or a lead magnet, or you are doing promotions, or you are doing codes, whatsoever. So you have to choose a call to action where customer can actually click and then they get to you. So this level, there's nothing much to talk about at this level. So okay guys, thanks for watching. So if you have any comment, please leave it below, and if you have any recommendation, any question, just leave it below. And please don't forget to share this video or like this video, for it helps to boost my own okay guys, like and share my video so as to improve on the visibility of this video. Thank you, and see you on the next video.